What is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Quick question, are you one of those people who drools over the premium Samsung Galaxy S series, but then you see that price tag and your wallet just screams nope? If that sounds like you, then you clicked on the right video. Because today, we are talking about a phone that is absolutely going to shatter your expectations. Samsung is gearing up to drop a nuclear bomb on the budget smartphone market with their A series lineup, and honestly, the competition better be scared. Yes, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy A18 5G. Based on the leaked specs, this thing isn't just a budget phone, it's looking like a straight-up flagship killer. And the best part, it's not going to break the bank. So, if you want to know why everyone is hyping this phone up, stick around until the very end of this video. We are breaking down every leaked spec, the price, and the release date right now. Let's dive in. Features of the Galaxy A18 5G. Display and design. First off, let's talk about the first thing you'll notice, the display. And trust me, you're going to fall in love with this screen. We are looking at a massive 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED panel. Samsung is the king of displays, so expect colors so vibrant and punchy that you'll feel totally immersed in your movies and games. But the real magic, it's rocking a 120Hz refresh rate with a 240Hz touch sampling rate. That means your scrolling is going to be buttery smooth, and for you gamers out there, every tap is going to register instantly. Plus, with a 93.6% screen-to-body ratio, those bezels are basically non-existent. It's all screen, and don't worry about drops. Leaks suggest it's protected by Gorilla Glass 6, and features an in-display fingerprint sensor. That's flagship-level security and style on a budget. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the feature that makes or breaks a phone in 2026, the cameras. The Galaxy A18 5G is rumored to sport a triple camera setup. The star of the show is a 50-megapixel primary shooter, which should deliver crisp shots even in low lighting. Backing that up is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide for those landscape shots, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. And for my selfie lovers, you're getting a 13-megapixel front camera. That's going to make your Instagram stories and reels look absolutely stunning. Performance. Okay, so it looks good, but what's under the hood? Is it powerful? Leaks are pointing to the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor. This is a solid chip that brings 5G connectivity, and should handle heavy gaming and multitasking without breaking a sweat. But here is the massive surprise, it's rumored to ship with the latest Android 16 right out of the box. That means you're getting the newest software features on day one. Battery backup. With all these specs, you need power, right? Samsung is packing this beast with a 5000 mAh battery. That is easily all-day battery life. Charge it in the morning, and you're good to go until you hit the pillow. And if you do need a top-up, it supports 25-watt super-fast charging, so you can get back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Alright, let's answer the million-dollar question. How much is this going to cost? According to the leaks, this phone could launch for under $250. If that turns out to be true, this is going to absolutely disrupt the budget market. That is insane value for money. As for the release date, rumors say we can expect it to hit the global market by the middle of this year. So, you might have to wait a little bit, but good things take time.